Hi, George Peterson here from Front of House. We've got a great issue for you this month, starting with our coverage of
socially distanced concerts. Going inside a live streaming performance, Steve Savanu presents his formula for presenting shows and staying in virtual touch with audiences while maintaining social distancing. Our production profile spotlights the Lumineers, where this major tour for one of 2020's top concert draws waits for the green light to go back on the road to packed arenas and amphitheaters. With most gigs touring and local on hiatus, Showtime Classic looks back on some great shows from past years. Check that out. Ball games and sporting events may be sidelined, but venues are ready for the return of the fans. We look at 4 recent examples of audio upgrades that reflect the state of the art. Our tech feature focuses on the sonic aspects of indoor spaces. Our buyer's guide this month focuses on large format line arrays. With dual 12 or 15-inch woofers, we present nearly 24 high-performance systems in powered and unpowered versions. In Sound Sanctuary, John McJunkin ponders the question of church acoustics. So do you go in-house or hire an outside service to make improvements? That is the question. This month's road test looks at the Electrovoice PXM 12MP monitors, a new coaxial 12-inch design that marks the company's first ever entry into the powered stage monitor market.
There's a lot more in this month's issue of Front of House, whether you read it online, in print, or with our way cool, free iPad edition. But wherever you go, whatever you do, don't piss off the sound guy.